Welcome friends once again at the platform of CA Club 21, which came up with a very crucial and the timely amendment introduced by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs regarding the small companies, which is a need of a time. Just for the ease of doing business, the government is very keen and taking initiative regularly. The very first in the Companies Act 2013, the threshold limit for the small companies was set to the 50 lakhs of the paid-up share capital and 2 crore of turnover. Now they just reach and increase the ambit of the small companies, because the small companies contributing the very much in the terms of employment, in the terms of economy. So ease of the doing business initiative just to promote the small businessmen in the mainstream of the economy. So my dear friend, the threshold limit you will appreciate increase from 50 lakh to 2 crores, and the turnover is increased from 2 crore to 20 crores. But still there are a lot of the companies which are not in the ambit of small companies. Recently, the new amendment, that is on 15th September 2022, they have very welcome step taken by the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, and they have again reset the threshold limit. That is now the 2 crore limit has increased to the 4 crore of the paid up capital, and the limit of the 20 crores increased to the 40 crores of the turnover. My dear friends, now you can understand so how much lakhs of companies will benefit from the definition of the change of the small company. My dear friends, what is the measures and what is the corrective actions which need not to be taken by the small companies, and what are the burden that is reduced? I will take one by one to all of you to discuss the parameters. The very first, the small company need not to make a cash flow statement, that is a part of a financial statement. Now it is abolished. No need to make a cash flow statement. It will certainly reduce your burden. The second one is mandatory rotation auditor is not required. Another one is there is no need to make too much board meetings. Now the number has been reduced to the 2 board meetings. In a year, if you take the 2 board meetings, that is quite enough. My dear friends, there are a lot of changes. You will go through this amendment, and the more effective and the most important, that is one should note in their mind, that is effective from the 15th/9/2022. My dear friends, this point is to be briefly noted that this belongs to the next financial year, that is 22-23. Don't get confused with the 21-22, because it is clearly written in the CARO. The CARO is acceptable as per the date of the balance sheet. What is the date of balance sheet for the current financial year? That is 31st March 22. That shows on that date the provisions of the small company was 20 crores of the turnover and 2 crores of paid up capital. So at the current situation for the financial year 21-22, it is applicable. My dear friends, with these words, I am taking a leave. Thank you very much, and we will come again with the new topics with you.